Hi, I'm Martin from Tannus UK. I'm going to show you how to fit a Tannus Armour tubeless insert. This is off a giant rain enduro bike, 29, it's 2.5. It's a Assegai double down, so thick walls. I'm going to fit this Tannus Armour insert. First of all, let the air out. And then pop the tyre off the bead. Got it. Off one side. There you can see that's off on one side. It's better to put on both sides, just so that the insert can fit into the space you have. Start with one bead on in the central position here, and then start to feed the insert in. And then just one bead of the insert, feed that into the rim. Just start to be tight to begin with, but if you just force it in, like that, giving a little rotation as you go. That's the first one in. Now you could put some sealant in, but I'm going to wait till the end. You can just put it into the tyre. First, you do need to make sure that the air valve here lines up with the valve there, so a little spin. There. Then pop the second bead on. It's important to do one at a time. Don't try and do it all at once. So that's the insert in. Now you have to just get the last bead of the tyre on. And if you push it down and then rotate, just like that. See, I'm holding and doing a quick spin like this. Now I'll just put some sealant in. Let it just work its way around. Then you've got the last bead to get on. Now it might feel a bit tricky at first. Make sure you push the beads into the centre cavity of the rim all the way around. So you're pushing in that direction. And it gives you a bit more space. If you hold that, pop that. And then it's on. Give it a little rotate so they feel central. They will centralise, but it's better to give it a starting chance. Now you shouldn't need a compressor because the shape of the insert pushes the sidewalls out. Do a few pumps, see how it feels. Check it's reasonably central. Yeah. Just pops. Pops. And just check that you can see the bead line, same distance all the way around. And complete, done.